Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana status updates. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your team informed about project progress without having to schedule constant check-in meetings. Let's walk through how to create and share these updates effectively. First, you'll need to navigate to the Asana web app in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your projects displayed. From here, select the specific project you want to provide an update for. This could be anything from a marketing campaign to a product launch. Whatever project needs a progress report. After opening your project, look toward the top of the project page near the project title. You'll see a button labeled Set Status with a drop-down arrow. Click on this drop-down to begin creating your status update. This is where you'll communicate the current health and progress of your project to your team. Now comes the important part, selecting your status from the drop-down menu. Choose the option that best reflects your project's current state. You can pick on track if everything is progressing smoothly, at risk if there are potential issues on the horizon, or off track if the project is facing significant challenges. This visual indicator helps your team quickly understand the project's health at a glance. Next, you'll want to add a status title that summarizes your update. This should be concise but informative. You also have the option to add collaborators or attach relevant files if you need to provide supporting documentation or involve additional team members in the discussion. To provide more context for your status, click plus add a section at the bottom. This allows you to add a detailed description or summary explaining the current situation, recent accomplishments, or any blockers your team should know about. This is where you can elaborate on why you chose that particular status. If there are specific team members who need to see this update, click plus add recipients to notify them directly. This ensures that key stakeholders don't miss important project information and can take action if needed. Finally, when you're satisfied with your status update, click the blue post button in the top right corner to publish it. Your update will now be visible to the team, creating a clear record of your project's progress over time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.